For the first marination you will need chicken, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and salt. Add all the ingredients to the chicken. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. For the second marination you will need Kashmiri chili powder. Spices required are coriander and jeera powder, green cardamom and garam masala powder, rock salt, kasuri methi, hunt curd and mustard oil. Mix all the ingredients well.
One hour later.
Apply the second marination to the chicken. Marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight for best taste.
2 hours later.
Skewer the chicken as shown. Apply some butter on a pan. Place the chicken once the pan heats up. Cover and cook chicken until almost done. Make sure to flip chicken and baste with butter in between. To give it a tandoor taste, cook it over an open flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Before serving, apply melted butter and sprinkle some chaat masala. Serve hot with onion and cabbage salad and a lemon wedge. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.